Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Maths World. In today's class we are going to discuss volume of a rectangular prism. So basically what is a volume of a rectangular prism? The volume of a rectangular prism is how much space there is inside the rectangular prism. Like for example, we have this rectangular prism and we want to find that how much is the volume inside this rectangular prism. To find that thing. So for this one we have a formula that volume will be equals to length times width times height. This one is our formula for a rectangular prism. So we use this one to find out the volume of the first prism. So for this one we have this thing, this side and this side, and these are the length, width and height of the rectangular prism. So we just need to put out the values in this formula and we just find out our volume of the rectangular prism. So I just write over there like length is 4 and width is also 4 and height is also 4 in this case. So we got our answer like 4 times 4 will be equals to 16 and 16 times 4 will be equals to 64. So that is our final answer, 64 feet cube. Okay, so now we have this second question. In second question we have this rectangular prism and we just need to multiply length with width with and then with height. So we got our volume of a rectangular prism. So in this one is the length of the rectangular prism, and next this thing is the width of the rectangular prism, and this one is the height of the rectangular prism. So we just need to multiply all the values with each other. So we got our volume of a rectangular prism. So we write over there 4 times 6 times 3. So we got our answer after multiply all the values with each other. So 6 times 4 will be equals to 24 and 24 3 times will be equals to 72. So 72 inches cube is our answer for this rectangular prism. I hope you understand. If you have any kind of questions, comment below. So next one is question number 3. In question number 3 we have this rectangular prism. So in this case the length of the rectangular prism is this one. This one is the length of the rectangular prism, and this one is the width of the rectangular prism, and this one is the height of the rectangular prism. So we just need to multiply all the values with each other. So we will write 2 times 3 times 5, and if I multiply all the values with each other, so we got our answer. So 3 2 times will be equals to 6 and 6 5 times will be equals to 30. So 30 centimeter cube will be our answer, will be the volume of a rectangular prism. So our next question number 4 is this one, and in this part we have this one is our length of the rectangular prism, and the next thing is this one is our width and this one is our height. So we just need to write we just need to put the values in the formula to find out the volume of a rectangular prism. So for this one we just write 2 times 8 times 5. So 2 times 8 will be equals to 16 and 16 times 5 will be equals to 80. So 80 meter cube will our answer of a rectangular prism of question number 4. Next is question number 5. In question number 5 we have this rectangular prism. So this one is our length, and the next thing is that this one is our width and this one is our height. Now we just need to multiply the values with each other. So 2 times 10 times 5.5, and if I simplify this one, so 10 2 times will be equals to 20 and 25 times 5.5 will be equals to 110. So 110 inches cube is our answer for part number 5. And the last part is part number 6. So this one is your homework. You will comment the answer of this part. So if you have any kind of question related to this worksheet, so you just asked me in the comment box, so I will answer you. And if you are new on our channel, so must subscribe to our channel for further videos. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.